We're now beginning learning unit number 3. Within this learning unit, you're going to write an analytical essay. Within the unit itself, you'll see the paper assignments, but let me give you a brief preview of it now. You're going to be asked to write a close textual analysis of a visual text. So what we mean by a visual text is something like a television show, a film, a music video, some kind of visual medium that can be analyzed in depth. Now you're going to be engaging in a close textual analysis of visual text to look to see what messages or ideas that text might convey about gender. So within this unit, we're going to engage in some readings and discussions about the concept of gender and how ideas about gender might be conveyed through a visual medium. Now for this assignment, you're going to be asked to do no research beyond the readings that we'll be doing within our unit and beyond the visual text that you're going to choose. You'll see within the paper assignment itself, you're going to choose a visual text. You're going to choose a film or a television show or some other kind of visual text to analyze. And then you're going to make that analysis on your own. That visual text that you choose, plus the readings that we do, will be the only actual research you're going to do on this issue. I don't want to see you engage in any other kind of research, because then you may get into trouble with not citing your research properly, which might lead to issues of plagiarism. Later within the course, we're going to get into how to use research properly and how to give credit for the information and ideas that you get from others. But we're not there yet. So for this assignment, it's just about your original ideas. Now, just like paper number 1, there are a number of optional steps. I highly encourage you to engage in those optional steps. They'll be crucial, honestly, in helping make sure that you're on the right track with this assignment. It's very uncommon for students to engage in this assignment and not do the optional steps, and yet still be successful in the end. Quite often they end up misunderstanding what they were supposed to be doing. So if you engage in the optional steps, I'll be able to give you feedback on every step along the way to make sure that you understand what kind of analysis you're supposed to be doing, and that you're developing the kind of organization that's necessary to successfully write this paper. The final draft of this paper has to be at least 1,000 words in length. Now that's generally in the 3 to 4 page range, but just pay attention to those issues of minimum requirements, because that's one of the necessities within this course.